Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a fall makeup for you, and this is the look. So if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 112 Natural Ivory. I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I love this foundation. It is full coverage and it does last a long time, and I have oily skin, so if you have oily skin, definitely give it a try. Now I'm gonna set the foundation with the Milani Conceal and Perfect powder in the color 2 Nude. I love this powder. I will never use any other powder. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Revlon Skin Lights in 115 Sun Kissed Beam and the Real Techniques Contour Brush. Now I'm using this crown brush to apply bronzer to my neck. I also apply bronzer to my nose. For brows, I'm taking the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the color Ash Brown, and I've been using this pencil since high school. I will never ever change it. I honestly just fill them in lightly. I don't go all crazy like I used to. To set my eyebrows, I'm using the e.l.f. Wow Brow in the color Neutral Brown. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Maybelline palette. It's the Soda Pop one. I found it at the dollar store, so I know it's still around, but any of their eyeshadows are honestly amazing. First, I'm going in with the color Crushing and applying it all over the crease, and it's just like a pumpkin orange color, which is perfect for fall. I'm applying it with this Coastal Scents 11 brush. And then I'm taking this Coastal Scents 15 brush and blending it out. I'll be going back and forth between these two brushes for the next two colors. Everything in this video will be drugstore, which is awesome because it's super affordable and easy to find. I just keep adding that same orange color and blending and adding and blending until I get the desired pigmentation. Now I'm taking the color Root Beer, which is a very dark neutral brown, and I'm just using it to deepen up the crease. I'm gonna keep applying and blending, applying and blending, and blending, blending, blending. Next, I'm taking the Coastal Scents 17 brush and going into the color Soda Fizz, and it's like a brownie champagne color, and applying it to my lid. First, I apply it with my finger, and then I use the brush to kind of get the areas that I couldn't reach. Now with this Coastal Scents 18 brush, I'm taking the color Tonic and applying it to my brow bone. This color is basically like a very shimmery champagne color. For my lower lash line, I will be taking both of my crease colors and just applying it until I get the desired pigmentation. Now with this Coastal Scents brush, which doesn't have a number anymore, I'll be applying the champagne color into my inner corner to make it pop. For eyelashes, I'm using the Ayani eyelashes in the style Wispy and then applying them with my dual dark adhesive. Yes, I use my fingers to apply eyelashes, but then I also go in with my tweezers to help it blend better with my natural eyelashes. Then I'm applying the Maybelline Sky High Mascara to my lower eyelashes, and this is in the color Very Black. For blush, I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush in the color Vino, and it is so pretty. This was so popular back in the day, and I still use it. It's like a burgundy, but then it has a gold shimmers through it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The brush doesn't have a name anymore, but I got it in my BoxyCharm, so maybe you recognize it. Now my favorite highlighter. I love this Revlon Skin Light Prismatic Highlighter in the color 201 Daybreak, and I'm applying it with the Morphe highlight brush, and honestly it is so beautiful. I apply highlight to my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow. For lips, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color 75 Fighter. I love this liquid lipstick. I want to get every color that exists because it lasts so long, but this one is so pretty. It's like a brown sienna color, perfect for fall. And we're done. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments so I can do more makeup videos. Also, can we talk about my setup? Did I not do better than all my other tutorials? I think I'm finally getting used to it. I'm so excited. It's almost fall, so I had to do this look. And Halloween is coming up. So soon you'll see a lot of Halloween costume videos and Halloween makeup. You know, all the good stuff. So excited. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment, please. The comments help my videos go out there in the YouTube world. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.